Hello, good night. I am Dayana Teresa Vargas Daza. My travel guide chart. Tool of Educational Sciences. My travel guide chart. Caño Cristales is a river in Colombia that is located in that Sierra of that Macarena in that municipality of the same name in the department of Meta. What to do? Getting to know the Ribera of that fight color implies making a crane fiscal at metal and for having to work for several hours on hot and humid road to reach its main attraction. You can go rafting or catching on that Guayabera River, where the water of Caño Cristal flow is a full destination for nature lovers and there is a great diversity of flora and fauna. Travel tips and good plan with your family. You must be well protected from sun and constantly hydrated during the trip. You should not enter with children under 5 years of age. Although Don Macarena is perfect plan for families due to the regulation of national park. You have to breathe and camera and binoculars to observe the fauna and flora. Ideal for carrying an underwater camera. If you bring a drone you must request the necessary permits from National Park. You don't have to consume alcoholic beverages outside quite sustained before and during that trip. Superstition. Personal renewal at good luck. You should go to Caño Cristales during the second semester that year, when the river level is adequate to enjoy the color of the aquatic plants. The herbs do would bathe to purify the symbols and let refresh. The effect of the colors and crystal of the pipe is synonymous with good luck since the picturesque reflection on whoever beats it will be different. When to go? Second semester of the year. It is from mid-June to mid-November, the rainy season in the region. Where to stay the Macarena? The Macarena is the most famous place for its green beauty and for its cabins for visitors. What to eat typical dish? The Macarena consists of roast beef or mamona, cod criollo, chicken, and fin. Prepare banana with panela or frying and rice bed. want to drink much water. Biscuit is warm place. It is necessary to drink a lot of water to be able to withstand that what. Transportation. Playing at home. The only means of transportation available is the plane and only from Bogota or Villavicencio. The oil company that offers flights is Satena. Arrival is en Javier Morena Valencia Airport y Da Macarena. From Da Macarena, you can reach Caño Cristal in 20 minutes with a small motor boat. Currency Colombian pesos. The currency used by the UAU is the Colombian peso. Typically, they are not obligatory. These caño cristales are not mandatory since the presence on all inclusive travel scheme, but you are not free to hit them in your wish. I present flavor with all our travel content. Gracias por su atención.